Here are some highlights from the December issue of Pumper magazine. Brought to you by Garnet Instruments. Tired of guesswork? Get precision with the Sea-Level Annihilator 806. Built for reliability, this liquid-level measurement system features dead-on accurate readings whether you're hauling sewage or grease. With monitoring for up to 3 compartments, it eliminates second-guessing and messy overflows. Visit garnetinstruments.com today. From busted systems to impossible soil, RM Rada's crew doesn't just pump tanks. They fix problems no one else wants to touch. It's a family business built on elbow grease, horsepower, and stubborn pride. And that's how you make it 70-plus years in the business. Bailey Septic didn't just buy another truck. They built themselves a workhorse with style. Their new International MV607 is the classy truck of December. Speaking of classy trucks, we've spent all year showing off the sharpest, cleanest, hardest-working vacuum trucks in the business. And now it's time to pick the one that tops them all. So go to pumper.com/classy, pick your favorite, and cast your vote for the 2025 Classy Truck of the Year. When a dosing tank isn't set right, you feel it fast. Pumps short cycle, alarms scream, and suddenly you're back on site fixing what should have been dialed in the first time. This story breaks down how pros figure gallons per inch, float heights, and dose volumes without guesswork. Most of us just chalk up that melted circle over a septic tank as winter doing its thing. But what if that heat could be put to work? If it pans out, rural pumpers could end up part of a whole new way to heat homes. Out in southern New Hampshire, getting rid of septage is finally getting easier, and Corey Lawrence is taking full advantage. Knowing the rules and the right disposal spots can make all the difference. New rules mean no more skipping septic inspections. For local pumpers, that's steady work. Find out where it's happening in rules and regs. Knott is back with a monthly column, breaking down the inspection standards that keep our work solid and our customers trusting. Check out the newest pumps, bacteria treatments, and tank tech built to keep systems flowing strong. The NVE 4310 Pro blower hits max performance without max headaches, giving pumpers better airflow, longer runs, and easier maintenance on every job. Looking to expand your fleet? Now's a great time. Find what you need in the classifieds. All this and much more in the latest issue of Pumper magazine, free for qualified readers. Thank you for watching and thank you for reading Pumper. See you next month.